Alright, so today we're going to look at home repairs with Nathaniel.
Alright, Nathaniel, so what do we have here today?
Well, first, you want some sort of safety device on your head, such as this helmet. Now, what we'll be using today is a hammer, a saw, and a flathead. I'm going to nail something. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Oh. I almost hit it there. Okay.
Let's get you.
No. Ow. Alright, now we're going to use screwdrivers. Screwdriver. Now, we're going to use it on wood here. This stuff is good for using as a natural home wrecker. Remember, if you want to piss off your parents, this is how you do it. Next, we're sawing some wood. Remember to keep your fingers far away from the saw. Now then, let's see. You always want to keep your fingers far away from the saw. Otherwise you can... My finger!